Okay, introduce yourself. What is your name?
I'm Jennifer Johnson,
How old are you?
34 years old.
Are you married or single?
I'm married.
So you have children.
I'm 3 children.
So you have 3 children.
Yes, ma'am.
How old are your children?
10, 6, and 1 and 10 months.
Okay, so you have 1 and 10 months. Still a baby.
Yes.
Okay. What is your educational attainment?
High school graduate.
Okay, and what is your height and your weight?
5'4" inches and 65
Kilogram. Okay. Are you ex-abroad?
No, ma'am.
Do you have a job here or do you have a work here in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am. In
So-
Batangas.
So what are your work? What did you do? I mean, do you have a job here?
In Batangas po.
So what are your job?
Housemate.
So you are a housemaid.
Yes, ma'am.
You serve how many person inside the house?
2.
2. The couple.
Opo.
How about the children? Do they have children?
2.
2 kids.
Opo.
So 4 members inside the house you are serving.
Opo. Also.
Okay. Do you know how to take bath the children?
Opo. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How about doing laundry? Can you perform doing laundry? Yes.
Washing machine and vacuum cleaning.
Okay. So that's are the appliances that you know how to operate.
Yes, ma'am.
How about the food that you know how to cook?
Spaghetti. Spaghetti Filipino dishes.
So Filipino dishes. Adobo, pancit.
Yes, ma'am.
How about the fried chicken, the fried egg?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I work in Hong Kong.
Is it you want to help your family
Yes, ma'am. I help my family to
to go to their school?
go to their school and to secure my studies of my daughter.
Children. Okay. So, do you have a message to your prospective employer?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here you. I promise that will work hard to being obedient. I will promise to finish to 2 years contract in return for your trust.
Okay. Thank you.